Uh, Hi, my name's Alex Chu, and I'll be presenting my spring 2023 project. Uh, so my idea was inspired by restaurant menus I found on my trip to Route 66, the classic 90s diner aesthetic. The project is simply just an online twist on an imaginary diner I made up. What did I learn and use for my project? So during class, I learned about animations and classes, which I used within my project. Here's some snippets of code. And animation is similar to what you see in cartoons, only I use animations on my website instead. Animations can be given to a website to add more life and interactability, make things more appealing to the eye. And classes are basically attributes used to describe an item, similarly to like tags or labels you find in grocery stores. Like you go to the fruit section, you call it a fruit, and you're basically assigning that item that label. All right. Now here's my website in action. Here's most of my code. Uh, Here you can see uh, the classes, which is P, and right over here is where the animation goes, or how the animation functions is that it starts off at 0%, it goes to 25, then 50, 75 until it completes itself. Here, I actually made the animation loop and alternate, which basically allows it to play and then play itself backwards. Uh, Hold, looks like I'm having a little trouble loading it. All right. Here's my restaurant menu. I have little buttons on the sides where you could click on them and they send you here. Whenever you hover over a menu item, it does a little spin. Um, I have this little animation playing at the top, which basically just slides the name of the restaurant across the top of the screen. And that's about it for my demo. Now, my favorite part about working on this project was just watching everything come together, experimenting with the colors, backgrounds, messing with menu items, and in the end, I created just something I just found I just enjoyed doing. And how would I improve my projects? Well, first, I'd add more items to the menu, drinks, desserts, etc., maybe soups. I'd probably make better navigation because uh scrolling all the way down might make it difficult to find certain objects. Pressing the buttons might not be as useful once I add more objects. So I could add some kind of search bar so you could just go straight to that menu item. And it's probably a good idea uh, to include ingredients and calories because a lot of people are trying to diet for personal reasons like bodybuilding and all that, and ingredients because um, someone may be allergic to that food item and they can only have that food item prepared in a specific way, and the recipes might lead to them endangering themselves. And that's it. Thank you for listening to my presentation.